rest of you guys stay here and make sure they don't come in.
To the right.
Oh, this one? Yeah, there's less guys that way. That's a bundle of numbers. I have a big grenade, so we can throw that in the building. Alright, let's go to the right.
Take it back.
Alright, let's go.
Rooker. All right, let's go.
Go.
Rocker! Yeah, no.
Spin, sir! Spin! Spin! Micah! There's more guys over there than there is over here.
Guys have to try to take them.
Huh?
I have any luck over there. I did.
Hey, if we just all rush.
Hey, now's our chance to rush. Now's our chance to rush. Go. Go.
Start leaving.
Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two up. Right foot, let's go. Charlie Brown.
Yeah. Come on.
We need to just keep on moving up. Start moving, man. Start moving. Go up to the wall. Alright, I got a big grenade. Hold up. Alright, you guys rush in when I throw this. Take grenade. Go. Go! Alright, go. Yes! Surrender! You can't get us all, you can only get one! Now! Okay, Brock, we got you, gotta go.
Okay, I'll wait till they stop shooting at us.
Alright, I got further.
Just put your hands up, go.
Not one of you have a grenade or something.
I had one, I think we do.
Y'all throw it out that window right there.
Hey, what window?
That one.
Wait.
Hey, throw it to the left out that way. That's where they all are.
This guy coming.
Hey, throw the grenade that way. Throw it up that way. They're gonna come in this way.